Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if you are using ChatGPT on Android or in iPhone, keep facing network error, login issue or app crashes error, any kind of error. So this video is for you. I will show you step-by-step solution that will make ChatGPT run smoothly again. So first, if you are facing any error, first you need to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off or use stable VPN connection. Unstable connection often causes error. Okay, so if you want to see if your device was connected to a VPN or not, so just simply open the phone settings, go to connection, and here go to more connection settings, and here you can get the option VPN. So if the VPN is connected, you need to disable it or you need to use trusted VPN. Okay, step 2, now you need to clear your app cache and data. Okay, find out the ChatGPT app, tap and hold on it and go to app info like this and scroll down and find out storage, and here you need to clear the caches and then clear the data. Okay, so keep in mind guys, clearing the data will log out you from the ChatGPT app, so you need to log in it back once again and restart your device one time. After restarting, open the Play Store and here you need to search the ChatGPT app. If the app update is available, just you need to update the app. After updating, now you need to check your device date and time. If the device date and time setting was incorrect, you need to correct it. To do this guys, open your phone settings once again and find out the date and time settings here. Okay, if the date and time settings was incorrect, you need to correct it, or you can set automatic date and time on your phone. Okay, and one more fix is this guys, if the battery saver or power saver mode is enabled on your phone, you need to disable it. Okay, so just you need to find out the power saving mode or battery saving mode. If the option is enabled, you need to disable it. Check the problem was solved or not, and in case if you are getting an unusual activity error, log out your ChatGPT account from your app and log in it back. Okay, use a verified email or phone number to log in. Okay, if the app keeps showing error, open the ChatGPT in your web browser. Open any web browser on your phone and simply here you need to search ChatGPT and access the ChatGPT from your web browser. It will definitely fix your problem. Still the problem was not solving. Now you need to wait for few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. What happens sometimes guys, the server was down from the OpenAI server only, so at that time you need to wait for few seconds. Okay, still the problem was continuously facing on your phone. At that time you need to reset your network settings. Okay, to reset it guys, go to phone setting once again and find out the reset option. Okay, from here you need to reset only your network settings, not complete settings, only select network settings. Okay, so just reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. After doing this guys, restart your phone and it will definitely fix your problem. Okay, still you are facing the same type of problem. Now you need to use different phone number or different email ID to use the ChatGPT. Okay, and then it will definitely fix your problem. So these are the 10 simple solutions that can fix it all ChatGPT errors on Android. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips.